square kilometer Chanipan Humfudra Taretki Umang Popi Pambi Thanabagi Damak Manghanki BJP na Leingak Pairakpadagi Encroacher Chaniga Marfutara Mathoi Takthokhre Haina Chief Minister Nongthombom Birena Phongdokhre Ing Sok Isingamaga Chamapan Marfutara Tareta Manipura Umangi Pak Chawba Asi square kilometer Lising Tara Taret Chamriga Humfudra Manga Oiramba Adu Ing Sok Isingani Kun Mathoida Lising Tara Taruka Chonga Marfudra Manga square kilometer da Hantaraki Punna Manipurgi Umang Chanipanga Marfudra Taretki square kilometer Pak Chawba Hantaraki Basi Maru Oina Popi Thanabagi Damakni Haina Chief Minister Nongthombom Birena Mahaki social media account amada video yauna thadorakli Mahakna Mahaki social media account aduda Manipurda BJP Leingak laklaba matungda reserve forest amadi protected forest tagi punna encroacher Chaniga Marfutara Mathoi Takthokhre amasung encroacher singda Takthokhiba aduda jati amada atamnana chathakiba leite haina sumahakna makhatana Phongdokhre
uwa phajana tharkanda phajana puja karana sangna legency anybody I am against the deforestation, poppy plantation, corruption, drug smuggling.
Our forests, once teeming with life, are now under threat. Degradation caused by various factors have left scars on our landscape, threatening the very balance of nature. Clear felling, poppy cultivation, encroachments and hill earth extractions have ravaged our forests, leaving behind desolate landscape and diminishing biodiversity. Unregulated establishment of villages within reserve and protected forest areas further exacerbates the problem, leading to habitat loss and fragmentation. But hope is not lost. The government of Manipur has taken decisive actions to combat this crisis. A joint survey of forests and revenue lands overseen by a committee headed by the Chief Secretary aims to consolidate reserve and protected forests. With determination and resolve, authorities have launched crackdown on illegal forest encroachers. Armed with the law and a commitment to conservation, eviction notices are served signaling the end of illegal occupations. Encroachers are being evicted and the Forest Rights Act 2006 is being implemented to ensure the rights of forest-dependent communities. As bulldozers clear the way, reclaiming what rightfully belongs to nature, a message against the illegal exploitation echoes through the forest. Under the Chief Minister's Green Manipur mission, catchment areas like the Koblu Ranch, Thangzing Ranch and various other places are undergoing rejuvenation.
Nong Takthokhre asigi si ulay kamina lebar ko ito. Kasi makam harap ko uwa phajana tharkanda phajana puja karana sangna legency anybody jungle ko puchi I am against the deforestation, poppy plantation, corruption, drug smuggling. See katane and I kanagi my opinion. All are my people.
अखोई दगी जुदा फॉरेस्ट होने लगी अखोई उठाबा लातनी अखोई गवर्नमेंट ड्यूटी द लाता नोइन ऑफसेट तव थिंगबा अदर इतादे अखोई लीगल एक्शन
However, these efforts face fierce resistance from those who seek to exploit our forests for their own gain.
Forests are like die, no more reserve forests.
Protest rallies and acts of vandalism such as the burning of forest offices and vehicles poses a serious threat to both the property and personnel conducting the duty to conserve the forest. As the battle to save our forests intensifies, the need for collective actions and cooperations becomes even more urgent. Together, the people of Manipur must save the forests and the land from the illegal encroachers and the illegal immigrants destructing the forests and the land for their own benefit.